Ay, nakakaloka. Andun yung tournaments. Ito na. Yung kalahati ng tao nandito na. Dahil mo ng video, dahil mo exposure, bata ka. Okay, so we have to find a way that I can be here in the tournament location and the tournament will not be disturbed because I'm shy. Kung ganito na ganito yung magbibideo, okay lang, sige lang, ibigay mo, o, diba? Kayo, pagudin niyo ako, okay lang. Wala kayong maririnig sa akin. O, ayan na naman, o, see? O, kailangan na natin lumayo ulit kasi nadi-disturb yung competition. Okay, let's move a little, everybody. Sa akin na sila naka-live. There, patan ulit sit there. Okay. Okay, we found a seat where no one can approach us, so let's do this. I mean, it's okay, but we don't want to disturb anyone, so we're doing this. We're just gonna sit with other patans as well. Assalamualaikum. Nice meeting you. Good? Good, shukriya. Assalamualaikum. There, right? I remember. Okay, I'm good, right?